U Assistant Professor ke Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Shillong u Dr. Himangshu Barwa ula pentip bakatnat Ayush, jong ke Sarkar India, kan pelong ya kasngi Ayurveda, ke Hynniew ha ke Aflai terik urisau, bat ke pang pedeng kan long harden hargar Ayurveda ke bemut. Ayurveda man kasngi, bat Ayurveda na ke benta baro. Habakren syakilap thai kubor ha ke Aflai terik urisau, u Dr. Himangshu ulong ba kane kasngi, kindan sanjat ki jingilaka ki bakentop nadu ke video competition, ke quiz competition, ke comic story competition, ke poster competition, ke jingle ringtone competition, bala pelong da ke MyGov portal na ke benta baro, bat ya ki khusnam unsam sabaro kinong jom. Ke jing pelong ya kane kasngi Ayurveda, kalong si benda ban ajing pentip bat pen sengotho syakipat ba khamtam syakitan nong kendong ya ke jing don kam jong kane ke Ayurveda.
As you all know that the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, they are organizing the Ayurveda Day, which is generally celebrated on the day of Dhanvantari Jayanti. This year it will be celebrated on 23rd of October. This will be the 7th Ayurveda Day. Generally it is celebrated on the occasion of the Dhanvantari Jayanti. So we have performed different kinds of activities, and for which our director madam is there. She will tell in a nutshell what are the different activities we have been doing, and number of activities are still going on, and hope we will get better information. And this is our request to all you people, so that it should come to the limelight, so that the basic aim of this is to reach the system of Ayurveda to every household, not only all over the India but all over the globe. So we are very much hopeful that it will reach to each corner of Meghalaya.